Hello students, welcome to the AKsuccess. How are you? So students, in the previous classes we completed the question number third, right? So today we are going to start question number fourth of the exponent and powers chapter and the first exercise, right? So in the first part, in the question number fourth, what we have to do, we have to identify the number which is greater. So the first part is 4 raised to the power 3 or 3 raised to the power 4. So you can't say by looking this that which is greater here. Okay. So what you have to do, first you have to simplify the 4 raised to the power 3. It means you have to write 4 3 times. So 4 4s are 16 and 16 4s are 64. Now you have to simplify the another one, 3 raised to the power 4. So 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. So it means it is 81. Okay. Now tell me which is greater here, 64 or 81? 81, right? 81 is greater. So it means 3 raised to the power 4 is greater. Okay. Now I move to the second part, that is 5 raised to the power 3 or 3 raised to the power 5. So now you have to simplify the first one. It means you have to write 5 raised to 5 3 times. So it is 125. And in the another one, you have to write 3 5 times. Okay. So it is 243. You have to multiply all the numbers, right? 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 3 3s are 9. So it is 27 and 9, that is, it is 243. Now, which is greater here? 125 or 243? 243, right? So 243 means 3 raised to the power 5 is greater. Sorry, it is 3 raised to the power 5 is greater. Now, the another part is, I skip the third part, okay? Third part you have to do by yourself. I move to the fourth part. So the fourth part is 100 raised to the power 2 or 2 raised to the power 100. Okay. Now look here, 100 raised to the power 2. So it means 100 multiply 100. So it is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Right? 10,000. Now 2 raised to the power 100. So 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 and up to how many times? 100 times. Yeah? Up to 100 times. Yeah. So now which is greater here? You can simply say that which is greater? 2 raised to the power 100 is greater. Yeah. Now, the fifth part. In the fifth part, the question is 2 raised to the power 10 or 10 raised to the power 2. So you have to write 2 10 times, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And you have to write 10 2 times. So it is 100 and it is 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 18, 8 to the 16 and 16 to the 32. So 32 multiply 32, that it is 1024. Now which is greater here? 1024, right? So it means 2 raised to the power 10 is greater. Okay. Now question number 5th. So in a question number 5th, you have to simplify the question. Okay? It means the first part is 648. So you have to write it in a power of, means you have to write in a power. So 648. What you have to do? You have to factorize it. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. 2 16s are 32 and 2 2s are 4. 2 8s are 16 and 2 1s are 2. 3 2s are 6 and 3 7s are 21. 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. I think you all know how to do the prime factorization. Yeah. Now 3. How many times? Sorry, 2 how many times? 1, 2, 3. So 2, 3 times. Multiply 3 how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 raised to the power 4. So that's the answer. Okay. Now the second part is 405. 405. Do the same method. 405. It can be divided by 3. So 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9, and 3 fives are 15. Again by 3, 3 fours are 12, and 3 fives are 15. Again by 3, 3 ones are 3, and 3 fives are 15. Again by 3, and now by 5. So there are two numbers, 3 and 5. 3 how many times? 4 times. And 5 how many times? 1 time. So there is no need to write 1. You can leave it as it is. Okay. Now the third and the fourth part is for the homework. You have to do by yourself. And if you have any problem, then you can ask. Now I move to the question number 6. In the question number 6, you have to simplify it. Okay? In the question number 6, you have to simplify it. So the question is to multiply 10 raised to the power 3. So 2 is 1 time, 10 is 3 times. And when you multiply all the numbers, you got 2000. Okay? Now, the second part, in the second part is 7 raised to the power 2 and 2 raised to the power 2. So 7 multiply 7 multiply 2 multiply 2. So 7 sevens are 49 and 2 twos are 4. So it is 196. Okay? Now the third part. In the third part, 2 multiply 3, 2 raised to the power 3, multiply 5. So 2 multiply 2 raised to the power 3, that it is 8, and 8 multiply 5, that is 40. Okay? Okay, students? Now 3 multiply 4 raised to the power 4. So 3 multiply 4 fours are 16. Okay, sorry. It is 4 and 4 times. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now multiply all the numbers. 3 multiply 4 fours are 16 and 4 fours are 16. So 16 threes are 48, multiply 16. So it is 768. Okay. Now the fifth part. Fifth part is 0 multiply 10 raised to the power 2. So if I multiply any number with 0, then it is 0. Okay, students. Now, fifth is done and 6, 7, 8 is for homework. It means you have to do by yourself. And if you have any problem, then you can drop a comment. Okay. Now I move to the question number 7. And students, please, if you like my videos, then please give me a like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so that I can make more videos for you. In the question number 7, you have to simplify. The first part is minus 4 raised to the power 3. So minus 4 3 times. So 4 fours are 16. First you have to simply multiply it. 4 fours are 16 and 16 fours are 64. Now you already know minus minus become plus and plus minus minus. So the answer is a minus. Yeah. Now the second part is minus 3 multiply minus 2 raised to the power 3. Minus 2 and minus 2. Now multiply all the numbers. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12 and 12 2s are 24. Now minus minus plus and plus minus minus and minus minus plus. Okay, so it became plus. It means it is positive. Okay, so the second part is in positive. So there is no need to write plus sign. Okay, now the third part is minus 3 raised to the power 2 multiply minus 5 raised to the power 2. So minus 3 multiply minus 3, minus 5 multiply minus 5. So 3 3s are 9, 5 5s are 25. Now minus minus plus, minus minus plus. So the answer is in positive. Okay, now multiply the numbers. So it is 2 to 5. Okay, the fourth part you have to do by yourself. Now I move to the question number 8. So question number 8, the first part is 2.7 multiply 10 raised to the power 12 or 1.5 multiply 10 raised to the power 8. You have to tell me which is greater here. Okay? Means you have to compare it. So 2.7 and first you have to look here 2.7 and 1.5. Now which is greater here? 2.7, yeah, right? Now move to this one. It is 10 raised to the power 12 and 10 raised to the power 8. It means the 0 is how many times? 12 times, right? So it means it is greater. So you can say that 2.7 multiplied 10 raised to the power 12 is greater. Okay. Now the another part, the next part, and it is the last one. After that, I move to the next exercise in the next part. Okay. So please, students, give me more and more likes and share and subscribe so that I can make more and more videos for you. Okay. And if you like my channel and my videos, then please drop a comment also. Now the next one is this one. So now first look here. 4 is greater or 3 is greater? 4 is greater. Now move to the next part. Here 10. 10 is 14 times and it is 10 is 17 times. So it means this one is greater. Okay, because you have to look the 10 raised to the power numbers means which is in the question the power which power is greater, then it means the question is that part is greater. So here 3 multiply 10 raised to the power 17 is greater. Okay, it means you have to look at the base power of means you have to look at the base of a 10 and whose power is greater, it means that one is greater. Okay, students, and if you have any doubt then you can ask me, no problem. And please give me more and more like I will tell you again so that I can make more and more videos for you. Okay, students, and you can tell me also on which topic you want the next video so that I can make the videos for you. Bye bye, students.